Hey everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. I am back with another video related to Facebook tutorial in which we will talk about how to deactivate our Facebook account. Okay, so I have made a lot of videos related to Facebook. If you want to watch all those videos, then you have to tap on this I button. For now, we will talk about how to deactivate our Facebook account. Let's start our video. Suppose that you just want to deactivate your Facebook account for some time, then for doing so you open Facebook. Okay, I will show you the method by using Facebook app. From here you have to go to these three lines and go to settings. Okay, just tap on it and go to settings. Now in the account settings you just have to select the personal information, and now at the end you can see that there is an option of manage account. Just tap on it. Okay, and here at the end there is an option of deactivate. If you want to deactivate your account, then you tap on this option. After that you just have to enter your password. Okay, so you should enter your password here and click on this continue option, and your Facebook account will be deactivated. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.